What is Twitch? Twitch is a streaming podium that customarily airs video game live streaming and esports competitions. Together with gaming, it broadcasts music, ingenious, creative and factual content, and more freshly, in real-life, streams. Established by Justin Kan in 2011, it propagated up from an idea that hit him to live stream his everyday life, which momentarily gained the attention of other individuals who desired to do the same. In 2014, it was bought by Amazon, and that was the beginning of its voyage towards fetching the major live streaming platform on the internet position. How to access Twitch. Anyone can visit the official Twitch website to watch streams, or use the app, which is accessible on iOS, Android, Windows, Mac, PS4, Xbox One, and devices like Chromecast and Apple TV. Creating an account is free. Whether you're a streamer or viewer, as you need an account in order to leave comments on streams, and to subscribe, follow a content creator. How it works. Influencers on Twitch and their fans can chat, share anecdotes and talk about a game in aspect. And this upraises their affiliation from influencer and follower to friends. The enthusiast, consequently, is more probable to follow what the influencer says about a brand, product, service. Why Twitch is a goldmine of great endorsers. A highly engaged audience. It is streamed live. It is interactive. It is a great place to find a community to be a part of. It offers the prospect to make money doing what you love. It is a great way to market to individuals who dislike marketing. Countless streamers are also prevalent on YouTube. Live interactive promotions are operative. Reaches a niche audience. How your brand can leverage Twitch as a promotional tool. The benefit of using a Twitch influencer marketing company in India is that almost all of your advertisements will be in real time by the right influencer. Promotions are one-dimensional on other podiums. The promotion is fundamentally over once the quantifiable is on the medium. Hence, your content will only receive a few likes and comments as far as engagement is concerned. Want to start a Twitch campaign? Consult the best Twitch influencer marketing agency, Gree Now. Visit greenow.in.